from the annals of the Beach Boys.
Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take you. Bermuda, Bahama, come on pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go? Jamaica, off the Florida Keys. There's a place called Kokomo.
That's where you wanna go to get away from it all.
Bodies in the sand,
Tropical drink melting in your hand.
we'll be falling in love to the rhythm of a steel drum band. Down in Kokomo, Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take you. Bermuda, Bahama, come on pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go? We'll get there fast and then we'll take it slow. That's where we wanna go. Way down to Kokomo. That Montserrat Street.
Then we'll go out to sea,
And we'll perfect our chemistry.
by and by we'll defy a little bit of gravity.
Afternoon delight,
Cocktail and moonlit nights.
that dreamy look in your eye gives me a tropical contact high.
Way down in Kokomo.
Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take you. Bermuda, Bahama, come on pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go down to Kokomo?
We'll get there fast and then we'll take it slow.
That's where we wanna go. Way down to Kokomo. I wanna catch a glimpse.
Everybody knows a little place like Kokomo. It's that place where you can go and relax and kick back.
Everybody knows
Everybody knows
a little place like Kokomo.
now you wanna go and get away from it all.
Go down to Kokomo, Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take you. Bermuda, Bahama, come on pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go down to Kokomo? We'll get there fast and then we'll take it slow.